In this lesson, we are going to find specific content in a selected field and replace it with different content. This is done in the results grid after selecting all items we wish to edit. Next, let's select the Actions dropdown in the upper left-hand corner. From here, select Edit Fields. In the Apply Mass Actions dialog box, you will see that the first choice under Field Edit Options is Search and Replace. Leave that as is. Now, scroll through to locate the appropriate field from the Available Fields list. Upon finding the needed field in the Available Fields list, click on it. Thereafter, click the right arrow to move the field over to the Selected Fields list. Next, in the Search For field, enter the name that is currently in the field that you wish to edit. In the Replace With field, input the name you wish to replace it with. Now click Submit. This will replace whatever was in the original field with what you typed in the Replace field. The action is now being applied. When it's complete, click Close.